In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace in Slack. If you're trying to step away from a Slack workspace, the quickest way to do that is to sign out of it. This removes your access to that workspace on your current device until you sign back in, which is perfect when you're switching teams or simply decluttering your Slack sidebar. I'll walk you through two simple paths to get there. First, open your preferred web browser and head to your search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land right in your workspace. If not, sign in as you normally do so you can access the menus we'll use. Once Slack is open, the first method is through the Workspace menu in the top left corner. Look for your workspace name near the upper left of the Slack window. Click that title to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where Slack groups workspace-level actions. In that drop-down, select Sign Out. Slack will sign you out of the current workspace, and you'll be returned to the sign-in screen or a list of your other workspaces, depending on your setup. This is a clean way to exit quickly, and it's especially handy when you're on a shared or temporary device. There's also a second path that some people find more intuitive. Move your cursor to the lower left corner of Slack, where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Click your profile. A small panel opens with account-related options. In that panel, look for the option that says Sign Out, followed by your workspace's title. Click that, and Slack will sign you out of that specific workspace. If you belong to multiple workspaces, this makes it easy to sign out of one without affecting the others. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Signing out does not delete your Slack account or permanently remove you from the workspace. It simply ends your current session. If your goal is a permanent departure, the option to leave a workspace lives in your account or workspace settings and may depend on permissions set by your admins. Also, these menus work similarly in the Slack desktop app and the browser version, so you can follow the same steps in either place. That's it. Two straightforward ways to leave a workspace by signing out. Use whichever menu is quicker for you, and you'll be done in seconds.